Do you know that there are unbelievable health benefits of green chilies? Green chilies come with zero calories. In fact, they speed up one's metabolism as much as 50% for up to 3 hours after eating. Protection against cancer. They are capable to protect against cancer. Green chilies are loaded with antioxidants that protect the body against the free radicals by acting as a natural scavengers. Interestingly enough, capsaicin capsaicin found in green chilies, although hard to taste, has been shown to lower body temperature by stimulating the cooling center of the hypothalamus in the brain. Capsaicin in the green chilies has a stimulating effect on the mucous membranes of the nose and sinuses. The heat produced by the chilies act as an effective pain reliever, as a digestive and anti-ulcer aid. Loaded with vitamin C and beta carotene, green chilies are great for healthy eyes, skin, and immune system. When eaten, green chilies release endorphin that boosts the mood and reduces pain. Green chilies are proven to balance blood sugar levels. Green chilies are a natural source of iron and a rich source for iron deficient people. Thank you very much.